Today I am giving presentation of topic what is road structure and causes of deterioration of road in India. So, what is road structure? Road structure may be a following, maybe a bituminous pavement road or maybe concrete pavement road. So, the structure comes under the bitumen pavement road are the bottommost layer is the subgrade. The subgrade is the foundation of the pavement structure on which the subbase is laid. It is also called formation level. The formation may be situated on an embankment or excavation or at the native surface. If the quality of soil is not meeting the criteria as per the Indian standard, in that cases we have to stabilize the soil using the lime, cement or any other modifier to get desired strength. The next layer is called GSB, that is granular subbase. Basically it is a subbase course. GSB subbase is a layer in the road pavement foundation just above the compacted subgrade. GSB structure consists of well compacted granular interlock aggregate with or without binder material. GSB act as a both subbase cum drainage layer. GSB prevent capillary water from the rising. It provides stress transmitting to spread the surface wheel load to a larger area so as to prevent shear and deformation. As per the Morth, GSB grading divided into the 6 categories and each grading having different function subject to the site conditions. So, next layer is WMM, that is wet mix macadam. It is also a part of a subbase course. Wet mix macadam consists an improvement upon the conventional WBM and it is intended to be as an alternative and more durable pavement layer. A WMM base course consists crushed graded aggregate and granule material like graded coarse sand and mixed with the water and rolled to compact dense mass. Next layer is binder course. Binder course may be of a DBM dense bound macadam or may be of bituminous concrete grade 1. Binder course is the intermediate layer between the subbase course and the wearing course. It consists of a mineral aggregate and appropriate bitumen binder mixed in a hot mix plant and laid with the mechanized paver. The uppermost part of the pavement is called wearing course. It may be BC2, that is bituminous concrete grade 2. This is a layer in the upper layer of the road construction. The main function of wearing course is to provide impervious layer so that the entry of water to base course can be prevented. Entire traffic load is safely distributed over the base course. The next pavement is concrete pavement road. We already discussed about subgrade, granular subbase and WBM in the previous slides. Here we will talk about the DLC. What is DLC? DLC, dry lean concrete, is a subbase of the rigid pavement. It provides an adequate support for the concrete slab and the paver. Basically, it is a plain concrete with a large ratio of the aggregate and cement. Now come to the sand layer. So, basically in the concrete pavement, generally in the runway, generally below the concrete pavement, sand layer with the polythene film generally used to laid. So, the function of the thin sand layer below the concrete pavement act as a frictional reducing medium for rigid pavement, reduce the tensile stresses induced in the concrete slab by subgrade resistance and provide better rolling action for slab movement due to the temperature variation. Next is the polythene film. The polythene film provided below PQC act as a separation layer and avoid shrinkage cracking. And uppermost layer is called the PQC, that is pavement quality concrete. It is a high grade pavement concrete. PQC may be JPCP, that is joint plain concrete pavement, JRCP jointed reinforced concrete pavement and CRP continuous reinforced pavement. Next is causes of the deterioration of the road in the India. So, distress may be, here we will talk about only the distresses in the flexible pavement, that is the bituminous road. So, distresses develop in the asphalt bituminous pavement with the time during services, sometimes also prematurely. These are the following are the general causes of the asphalt pavement distress: poor quality of material and construction, inadequate asphalt mix design, inadequate pavement thickness, amount of traffic more than that anticipated in the pavement design, rate of loading different than that anticipated in the pavement design, aging of the asphalt binder, effect of climate in terms of high and low temperature and rainfall, lack of preventive maintenance, improper or no provision of drainage, and last one is low bearing capacity of substrata. The next is the type of the distress of the flexible road pavement. So, basically there are 4 types of defect generally comes in the flexible pavement. First, surface defect, in which raveling, flushing and policy comes. Second one is surface deformation, where rutting, distortion, rippling and shoving, settling, frost dip comes. Third one is cracks. There are so many cracks are there: thermal crack, reflection crack, slippage, joint, edge, block and alligator crack. And last one is patches and the potholes. So, these are the some photo of the distresses. First is a raveling, slight raveling, moderate raveling, severe raveling. Polished, flushing, slight rutting after rain, severe rutting by poor mix design, severe rutting by the poor base. Minor settlement over sealed crack, ripples and bumps, crack adjacent to the sealed crack. frost eve, severe settling from utility trench, severe settlement of patches, sealed crack and failed sealant. Next one is the tight crack less than 1/4 inch, open crack 1/2 inch or more. Next one is the water enter unsealed crack, softening pavement causing secondary crack, pavement raveled and erode along open crack causing deterioration, crack reflected through the bituminous overlay, hairline crack reflected through the seal coat. Next one is slippage crack, paving joint slide crack, partially opened pavement joint, wheel path crack, ace cracking, block cracking, alligator cracking, patch repair, and last one is the porthole. I hope whatever I covered in my presentation will get useful during the execution, planning and construction of work. Thank you. Jai Hind.